Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to separate your egg yolk from your egg white. So it's very quick and short. So let's just get right into it. In a bowl, you will just take 2 eggs. Well, right now I'm just taking 2 eggs, and you can take whatever amount of eggs you want. And it's very simple. You will just take a plastic bottle. I'm using a plastic bottle, and then I will squeeze it and get the egg yolk out. It just comes right out. So as you can see, that's the first one. And then I will take the second one. I'll do the same thing. And then you will just separate the egg white from the egg yolk. And once you have done it, that's it. The trick is very quick and it's very easy. And whatever you want to do with baking, you can easily do it without having to struggle separating the egg yolk from the egg white. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like the contents of the videos I'm making, don't forget to give thumbs up to the video, subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification to get notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to share the video. Until next time, enjoy.